Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to lock and hide hidden folder in Photos app of iPhone. So I'll just open my Photos app, and you can see at the bottom I have this hidden folder, and if I tap on it you can see the hidden folder is open. It doesn't even ask for Face ID or Touch ID or any kind of password. It's directly opening up, and also it's visible here that the hidden folder is here, so anyone can open it up. So let's see how we can hide it as well as lock it. So for that, just open your settings. Then from here you'll have to scroll down till you find the settings for Photos app. So you have to tap on it, and then here you can see we have this option, use Face ID. So if you turn it on, then your hidden folder as well as the deleted folder or the albums will be locked, and your Face ID will be required every time you try to access the hidden or the deleted albums or the folder. So you can turn it on from here like this, and then you can check it whether it's working or not. So open your Photos app once again, and then try to open your hidden folder, and then it's going to ask for your Face ID to unlock it. So that's how we lock the hidden folder. Now the second thing is to hide the hidden album from the Photos app. Till now you can see we have this hidden album under utilities. It's visible even though it is locked, but still it is visible here in the app. Now we will try to hide it. So I'll just open the settings once again, and from here just below the use Face ID option you can see we have this show hidden album. Now if we turn this one off, then the hidden album will be hidden from the Photos app. So let's open the Photos app and check, and you can see we do not have any hidden album anymore. That means the hidden album is not visible. But if you want to add photos to the hidden album, you don't have to make it visible. Like, you can just open your album and you can just select any picture that you want to hide, and then just click on these three dots at the bottom right corner, and from here you can tap on hide, and the photo will be hidden. So you don't have to unhide your hidden album to add any picture to the hidden folder or the hidden album. You can just directly do it, but you will not be able to see those hidden pictures until you unhide the hidden album. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.